Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Cottagecore theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. You need to update Instagram application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application, and then you need to click on this messenger icon in the top right. From here you need to select any conversation, then you need to click on your name on the top, and then you need to click on theme. From here you need to scroll down, so scroll down again, and in the bottom you can see cottagecore theme. You simply need to select that, wait for few seconds, and here you can see that cottagecore theme is activated. Let me show you. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.